All right, here we go. Jennifer, Dyck, and Manitoba canola growers, recipe number 1, maximum flavor meals. So tell us a little bit of about the concept that you're going for here.
So we're going for like simple weeknight meals that you can pull off, but are just so full of flavor. So this one is great because you start off with a sausage that is already pre-seasoned. So it's like loaded with flavor before you even start. Before
you even get going. Okay, so the first recipe we're going to make tonight is the sausage meatball soup. So comforting, but really not, super like complicated or going to take forever. So let's make it up.
Sure, sounds great. So we're going to start off with our classic Canadian canola oil. We've got our pan on here to about medium high. You want about 2 tablespoons in there.
Okay.
I'm a professional, so I just kind of
you are. There was a lot of like flair there. I trust you completely.
Add it on in there. Then you're going to add in a diced onion.
Okay.
You're going to add in some red pepper. And we've got some green pepper again here today too.
Lovely. So lots of nice color in there, which is always just kind of a nice little bonus.
Little bonus. The heat's on. So those are going to simmer and they're going to kind of cook down. Okay. You want those to cook for about 8 minutes.
Okay.
So they're kind of going to sweat it out. The onions are going to get kind of translucent. You don't want them to start to caramelize though. So make sure you're watching your time.
Not too much. Don't crank it up to 9 and leave the kitchen and go do 3 other things, which I would never do, ever. What do you have there?
This is Bison sausage.
Okay.
So great for soups. It's lean, and so it's going to be really nice in there with the broth.
Yeah.
And because they're pre-made, there's already seasonings in them. So this is really simple. So you can take the casing off your sausage, and then you're gonna pinch off whatever size of meatball you'd like. This is 1 package here.
Oh, I see. Okay.
The bigger they go, the less are in the soup, or you can make them smaller so you have like sausage in every bite.
Yeah. And I guess the cool thing about Bison, of course, is that it is widely available, and you can go to their website and they have like a store finder, so you're not like pounding the pavement looking for it, and you can get it. It's something really unique that you can put in your soup.
I'm just gonna go wash my hands quick because we're touching raw meat. While I'm over there, can you add in this dish of seasoning that we have right here? You can just dump it right in and give it a little stir.
Okay, so I'm going to take a guess here. There's some oregano in here.
There's oregano. We have cocoa powder, and we have garlic powder.
Let's see that. And so the cocoa is kind of an interesting thing. Why cocoa?
Well, the cocoa is what is going to really give the depth of flavor. Because remember, we're going for max flavor tonight. So we
maximum flavors. Oh, there we are.
Yeah. So the cocoa is like just really going to bring it together, and it's going to like the depth. It's really about the depth of it. So you get that going. These seasonings, once they get mixed in, you'll start to smell them. The aromatics will start to come out in them.
Immediately, yeah.
Right.
Brilliant.
And then once they start going, you're going to add in the broth.
Okay.
Let's see, pour that in. Oh, you got it. There we go. The broth goes in. I can take that for you. And then you're going to add in your made up meatballs that you had sitting on the side.
Okay.
We'll use this spoon, get those in there. Now they're not pre-cooked. They're going in here raw.
Raw.
And it's just another, like, it makes it quick.
Right.
You have to cook them for about 5 minutes before we add the rest of the ingredients, and then they're going to cook again for another 15 or so until they're fully cooked.
Okay. I'm liking
so those are all added in
so far. Okay.
Okay. So once that has cooked for about 5 minutes, you want to give the meatballs a head start. Again, max flavor and simple ingredients.
Not all the way through, but about 5, because then you're going to be adding a few other things.
We're going to add a few other things. So salsa, pre-made salsa.
Wow.
Again, max flavor, right?
Getting it.
Get that all in there.
Yeah.
And then the last make this a little heartier. You're going to add in some black beans, canned, pre-rinsed, and some frozen corn.
Like
super
delicious,
simple.
and again, you're going to have all kinds of different flavor profiles in there. It looks nice, amazing.
Pantry staples, right?
Yeah, totally. Like there's really nothing too, different or in there. So now,
15 minutes. Make sure the meatballs are cooked through, and then you're going to have this.
Trella, there it is. Okay, and so we're going to dish some up here.
Yeah. Can you smell it?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Oh, it's absolutely wonderful.
And the broth.
And the color of it too, like it's just kind of a nice bit of a darker. Okay.
Broth has lots of flavor.
No right or wrong way?
Serve it up family style. Put out on your table some sour cream, cheese, tortilla chips, green onions.
Everybody can kind of do what they want to do.
Everybody can do what they want to do.
Okay, amazing. There it is. Our sausage meatball soup. Boom. When we come back, another quick and easy one. Very, very delicious. Lots of flavors. Veggie loaded rice noodles when we come back here on Great Taste of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba. Manitoba Agriculture and Resource Development's Food and Farm Awareness Week is a great opportunity to talk to a farmer about where your food comes from. For more info, go to greattastesmb.ca.